morning children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to explain the 19th graded key assignment. So in that assignment we have 10 questions. In the 10 questions 5 are objective type questions and remaining 5 are fill in the blanks. So now we discuss the first question. So what is the first question? 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x, then x is equal to, what is the given question? 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x, then x is equal to. So 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x. What is given in the question that we are taken? The plus 2x comes this here means it is minus 2x, and the minus 5 going that side means it will be plus 5. The minus 5 going that side means it is will be plus 5. 7x minus 2x, 5x is equal to 5. 5x is equal to 5. So here it will be 5 will be LHS side multiplication. Then it is going to RHS side means it will be divisible. So 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So what is the value of x value? 1. We got the x value is 1. Okay. And next question. Second question. So second question. 5x minus 12 is equal to 2x minus 6. 5x minus 12 is equal to 2x minus 6. Then x is equal to. Then x is equal to is asking. So what is the given in the question? First we are taking that is 5x minus 12 is equal to 2x minus 6. So here first of all the variables are transposed to one side and the constant values are transposed to another side. That's like we are plus 2x is coming to LHS side, it will be minus 2x. 5x minus 2x. And the minus 12 going to RHS side means it will be plus 12. So 5x minus 2x, 3x. And minus 6 plus 12, it will be plus 6. So x is equal to 6 by 3 and x is equal to 2. So what is the value of x value? 2 is the x value. And next one, third question. Eight m plus 9 is equal to 7m plus 8. 8m plus 9 is equal to 7m plus 8. Then x is equal to. So here first of all we are taking the what is given in the question. 8m plus 9 is equal to 7m plus 8 is given in the question. So the plus 7m is come this side means minus 7, and the plus 9 going that side means it will be minus 9. So here 8m minus 7m means m. And 8 minus 9 means minus 1. So what is the value of m value? Minus 1. Okay. M value is minus 1. And next. The m value is minus 1. Then we go to discuss the fourth question. So fourth question is 9y plus 5 is equal to 15y minus 1. Then y is equal to. So what is the given in the question? 9y plus 5 is equal to 15y minus 1. Then y is equal to. So first of all you write the what is given in the question. 9y plus 5 is equal to 15y minus 1. So here we transpose the plus y to right hand side. Which side here transpose here? Right hand side. That means it will be minus 9y. 9 minus. The minus 1 comes this side means plus 1. 15y minus 9y. So 5 plus 1, 6. 15y minus 9y, 6y. 15y minus 9y, 6y. So here 6 come this side means 6 by 6 is equal to 1. In 6 table 6 how many times it's cancelled? 1 time it's cancelled. So what is the value of y? 1 we got the value of y. Okay. 1 we got the value of y. And next, fifth question. Which of the following is a linear equation? Which equation asking? Linear equation. That means in that question 4 options is given. So what is the options we are taken? The first option is 2x square plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 5 is equal to 0. And second option is 4x plus 5 is equal to 1. 4x plus 5 is equal to 1. And third option is 2xy plus z is equal to 2xy plus z is equal to 5. And fourth one is all the C option is 2xy plus z is equal to 5. And D is all the above. So once check which of the following is linear equation. 2x square plus 5 is equal to 0. It is a linear equation? No, it is not a linear equation. And 4x plus 5 is equal to 1. It is linear equation? Yes, because it is a one variable here and there. So that's why this is a linear equation. So what is the answer? 4x plus 5 is equal to 1. So the answer is what? B. So 4x plus 5 is equal to 1. So this is the linear equation. Okay. Next question. So next sixth question. So what is the sixth question? A, B, C, D, and this is angle x, and this is angle 50 degrees and 60 degrees. So find x is equal to. So how can you find the value of x? First of all, what is it given in the diagram? You are taken. The diagram is A, B, and C, D. This is angle 50 degrees. And 60 degrees, and this is angle x. So first you are taking the in triangle ABC. The exterior angle. What is the exterior angle? We are taking here the exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. So the exterior angle is what is it? Angle ACD is equal to sum of its interior of opposite angle. So what is the opposite angles? Angle A and angle B. So your angle A value how much? 50 degrees. And angle B value 60 degrees. Angle B value is 60 degrees. So 50 plus 60, 110 degrees. 50 plus 60, 110 degrees. So what is the value of x value? 110 degrees. Find into p minus 3 is equal to 3 into p minus 2. Then p is equal to. First of all, we are taken what is given in the question. So what is given in the question? 5 into p minus 3 is equal to 3 into p minus 2. So in before of bracket what we have? 5 we have. So first of all we are multiplying with the 5. in the what we have in bracket. So 5 into p, 5p, 5 into, here minus is there, that's why I'm writing minus, 5 3 is a 15. Again in right hand side also like that we have. So 3 into p, 3p, minus 3 2 is a 6. We are transposing variables one side and constants one side. So like that the 3p come this side means it will be minus 3p. And minus 15 going that side means it will be plus 15. So 5p minus 3p. 5p minus 3p how much? 2p. 5p minus 3p, 2p. Minus 6 plus 15. Minus 6 plus 15 how much? 9. Minus 6 plus 15, 9. It will be plus 9. Okay? Plus 9. So the 2 going to RHS side means it is divisible. So 9 by 2. So what is the value? In 2 table 9 not cancelled. So what is the value of p value? 9 by 2. Next question. Eighth question. 7z minus 20. 7z minus 20 is equal to minus 3z plus 10, then z is equal to, so we are taken here, first of all 7z minus 20 is equal to minus 3z plus 10. So again you are transposing all the terms, minus 3z from this side it will plus 3z and minus 20 going that side means it is plus 20. So 7z plus 3z, 7z plus 3z, 10z. So 10 plus 20, 30. So 10 going that side means it is, 10 going that side means it is divisible. So 30 by 10. So how many times it's cancelled in 10 table 30? 3 times. So what is the value of z value? 3. Z value is 3. Next. Next question. 9th question. 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 into x minus 2. 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 into x minus 2. Then x is equal to, so first of all we have taken 3x plus 4. In bracket before 5 is there, so multiplied with 5 into x, 5x and 5 2 is a 10. 5 2 is a 10. So you can transpose any one of them any side. Like that I have taken minus 10 from left hand side transposing, it will be plus 10 and the 3x going to that side means it is minus 3x. The 3x going to other side means it is minus 3x. 10 plus 4, 14. And 5x minus 3x, 2x. 5x minus 3x is 2x. So the 2 come this side means it is divisible. So what is the value of x value? 7. X value is 7. Okay. The x value is 7. And next, last question. 10th one. 15 into x minus 1 plus 4 into x plus 3. 15 into x minus 1 plus 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 2 into 7 plus x. Then x is equal to 2 into 7 plus x. Then x is equal to. So first we have taken the what is the given in the question. 15 into x minus 1 plus 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 2 into 7 plus x. So first multiplied with 15. 15 into x, 15x minus 15. Here plus 4 is there. The plus 4 is multiplied with what is it you have in bracket, multiplied with the bracket, plus 4 into x, 4x. 4 into 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12 is equal to 2 7s are 14 plus 2x. 2 7s are 14 plus 2x. 15x plus 4x 19x minus 15 plus 12 minus 15 plus 12 how much? Minus 3. Minus 15 plus 12 minus plus 12 is equal to minus 3 and 14 plus 2x. So the plus 2x is come this side, that means LHS side it is minus 2x. Minus 3 going that side means plus 3. 19x minus 2x 17x. 14 plus 3 17. 14 plus 3 17. So x is equal to 17 by 17. And what is the value of x value? 1. What is the value of x value? 1 is the x value. Okay. So this is the 10th one answer. So what is the value of x value? 1 is the x value. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.